All are alkyl halide. Now in this first alkyl halide, the carbon is attached to 3 alkyl groups, so it is 3 degree. In the second alkyl halide, carbon is attached to 2 alkyl groups, so it is 2 degree. Third is carbon is attached to 1 alkyl group, so it is 1 degree, and it is called methyl halide. So there are different types of the alkyl halide: 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, and methyl halide. Now 3 degree alkyl halide is more reactive than 2 degree. 2 degree is more reactive than 1 degree. 1 degree is more reactive than methyl halide. So this is the 3 degree alkyl halide generally shows SN1 reaction. So 3 degree is more reactive than 2 degree. 2 degree is more reactive than 1 degree. 1 degree is more reactive than methyl halide. So methyl halide generally does not follow SN1 reaction. 3 degree alkyl halide always follow the SN1 reaction. So first is the alkyl halide. Next, number 2, leaving group. Leaving group. Good leaving group favor SN1 reaction. Good leaving group favor SN1 reaction. Now the order of the good leaving group is I minus is better leaving group than Cl minus. Cl minus is I minus is better leaving group than Br minus. Br minus is better leaving group than Cl minus. So these are the order of the leaving group. If a group is removed easily, then it is called leaving group. So I minus is better leaving group. Br minus which is better leaving group than Cl minus. Next, number 3 is solvent. Solvent, polar solvent. Polar solvent favor SN1 reaction. So these are the 3 important points on which SN1 reaction depends. So SN1 reaction depends upon the nature of alkyl halide. 3 degree alkyl halide generally shows SN1 reactions. Next, SN1 reaction also depends upon the nature of the leaving group. A good leaving group favor SN1 reaction. Then I minus is better leaving group than Br minus, which is better leaving group than Cl minus. Next, SN1 reaction also depends upon the solvent. If the solvent is polar, then SN1 reaction will favor. And if the solvent is non-polar, then SN1 reaction generally does not take place. The polarity of the solvent also influence the SN1 and SN2 reaction. Polar solvent favor SN1, but non-polar solvent favor SN2. These are the important points on which SN1 reaction depends. Now, the next point is favorable condition for SN2 reaction. Favorable condition for SN2 reaction. So here also first point is alkyl halide. So here also alkyl halide, there are 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree and methyl halide. Now 3 degree alkyl halide generally does not show SN2 reaction. So here reactivity order is this: methyl halide more reactive than 1 degree, 1 degree more reactive than 2 degree, 2 degree is more reactive than 3 degree towards SN2 reactions. Next point is the leaving group. So here also good leaving group favor SN2 reaction. The good leaving group favor both SN1 and SN2 reaction. Next is solvent. here non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent favor SN2 reaction. So these are the some important points on which SN2 reaction depends. So this is about our SN1 and SN2 reactions. Now with these discussions we are going to suppose two compound is given. Now you have to identify which one will react via SN1 reaction and which one will react via SN2 reactions. So up to this I think you understand up to these points, up to this discussion. So first, nucleophilic reaction. Nucleophilic reaction is of two types, SN1, SN2. SN1 reaction, it is two-step reaction. First step, carbocation is generated, and in the second step, nucleophile will attack the carbocation in the two sides to give the racemic product. And SN2 reaction, it is one-step reaction. Here, the nucleophile and living group both process taking place simultaneously. Next, we have discussed about the condition for SN1 and SN2. So for SN1 reaction, it depends upon the alkyl halide. So here 3 degree is more reactive than 2 degree, 2 degree is more reactive than 1 degree, and it is more reactive than methyl halide. Next, living group, good living group favor the SN1 reaction, and solvent, polar solvent favor the SN1 reaction. Next point is condition for SN2 reaction. Here alkyl halide, so it is opposite to the SN1. So in SN1 3 degree is most reactive, but in SN2 3 degree is least reactive, and methyl halide has highest reactivity. Living group SN1 and SN2 both process favored by good living group, and solvent, non-polar solvent favor the SN2 reactions. Now we will discuss some question. Now there are two compound is given. Question is which one will react SN2 faster? Two compound is given, which one will react SN2 faster? Now SN2 reaction depends upon the three conditions. First is nature of alkyl halide. Now let us say this carbon is bonded with alkyl halogen group. This carbon is also bonded with halogen group. Now this carbon containing halogen is directly attached with has one carbon-carbon bond. Carbon containing halogen have one carbon-carbon bond. So it is 1 degree alkyl halide. Here also carbon containing halogen has one carbon-carbon bond. So it is also 1 degree alkyl halide. So now both are 1 degree alkyl halide. So by the degree we cannot decide which one will react faster, because the degree of both the compound is same. Both are 1 degree. So our first point is alkyl halide. Nature of alkyl halides. So both the alkyl halide is 1 degree. So we cannot decide by considering the degree of the alkyl halide. Next point is that nature of the living group. So here one living group is I minus, other living group is Cl minus, and we know that I minus is better living group than Cl minus. So So in number A, living group is I minus. In number B, living group is Cl minus. And I minus is better living group than Cl minus. So which one will react faster? Good living group favor SN2 reaction. So here good living group is present in A. So here A will react faster than B. So here A will react faster than B. A will react faster than B. Now next question. So it is A, it is B. Which one will react faster? So our first point is alkyl halide. So look at the alkyl halide. This is the carbon containing halogen. This carbon bonded with halogen. So this is the carbon containing halogen. So carbon containing halogen has one carbon-carbon bond. That means it is 1 degree alkyl halide. Now here this carbon is bonded with halogen. That is, this carbon is the carbon containing halogen. So now carbon containing halogen has two carbon-carbon bond. Carbon containing halogen has two carbon-carbon bond. That is, it is 2 degree alkyl halide. So one is 1 degree alkyl halide, other is 2 degree alkyl halide. Now we are discussing about SN2 reaction. In SN2 reaction, 1 degree is more reactive than 2 degree. 1 degree alkyl halide is more reactive than 2 degree alkyl halide in SN2 reaction. So 1 degree alkyl halide is present in number A. That means here A will react faster than B. A will react faster than B. Next question. Now you have to say SN1 faster. Which one will react fast via SN1 path? So it is A, it is B. Now first look at the alkyl halide. This carbon is bonded with halogen. So this carbon is the carbon containing halogen. So carbon containing halogen has 3 carbon-carbon bonds. So it is 3 degree alkyl halide. And this carbon containing halogen has 2 carbon-carbon bonds. So it is 2 degree alkyl halide. In number A, carbon containing halogen is attached with 3 carbon-carbon bonds. And number B, carbon containing halogen has 2 carbon-carbon bonds. So it is 2 degree. Now in SN1 reaction, 3 degree alkyl halide is more reactive than 2 degree alkyl halide. 3 degree alkyl halide is more reactive than 2 degree alkyl halide. That means A will react faster than B in SN1 path. Next question. So which will react faster in SN1 reaction? So first look at the alkyl halide. This carbon containing halogen has 2 carbon-carbon bond. That is, it is 2 degree alkyl halide. And here this carbon is containing halogen. Carbon containing halogen has 1 carbon-carbon bond. So it is 1 degree alkyl halide. So we are discussing about SN1. We know that in SN1, 3 degree more reactive than 2 degree more reactive than 1 degree. This is the reactivity order in SN1. 3 degree more reactive than 2 degree, which is more reactive than 1 degree. And here 2 degree and 1 degree. 2 degree is more reactive than 1 degree. So here if it is A, if it is B, then it is A is more reactive than B towards SN1 reaction. So by considering this factor, we can decide which one will react faster in SN1 and which one will react faster in SN2. So by considering this video up to this class, that is up to 10th video, this unit is completed. So we have completed the unit halo alkane and halo arene. Now you revise this unit. If you face any difficulty, then you can ask. So I have completed this unit. Now in this unit the important question is complete the reaction. This is one type of the question. Complete the reaction. Next, what happens when? What happens when? Next, convert. Suppose convert ethanol to ethyl chloride, propane to propanol. So this type of conversion. So conversion is important. Next, the SN1 and SN2 reaction. Which one will react by SN1? Which one will react by SN2? Next, explain why. Suppose explain why halo alkane is more reactive than halo arene towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this fourth type of the question is important as far as the organic part is concerned. So thank you. Revise this topic. If you face any difficulty, then you ask the topic which topic you are facing difficulty, you ask me. Okay, thank you.